If you have a car and the TPMS light refuse to come off the dash, whether you change the TPMS or you add enough air, this might be a problem. You need to re-register the TPMS. So how I re-registered my TPMS, I use a good scan tool and go into the body control module. Once you go into the body control module, you go into TPMS or you go into air pressure sensor. So once you're in that area, you're going to initiate the ID registration for the TPMS. And once you start the initiation process, then you use a TPMS tool. TPMS tool looks like this. So once you start the initiation process, then you use the TPMS tool now to read the tire pressures in each tire. And once you get each reading, then you look at the scan tool and each tire is gonna say done. So once all 4 tires are complete, all 4 will say done. And if it's not saying done, then you're not doing it the correct way. So to prove that the initiation worked, all 4 should say done. So once all 4 says done, then you use a TPMS tool to connect it to your OBD2 port. You're gonna unplug the scan tool and connect your TPMS tool to the OBD port. So once you're finished doing that, then you hit relearn on your TPMS tool. And once you complete whatever steps the TPMS tool tell you to do to do the relearn, then your TPMS light should go out. If it doesn't go out, then more than likely you'll have to drive the car for about 20 minutes or 10 minutes or whichever. But on the TPMS tool, it will show green depending on the tool that you're using to confirm that the TPMS is reading properly. So go ahead and try that. I hope my explanation was clear. This is what I did to get the tire light off this customer's dashboard. I tried it like twice and it went away, came back, and finally figured it out and did the ID registration or re-registration, and that was that.